All right, hello everyone. It's Evan Trades. Happy New Year's to everyone. For me, it is currently 12:42 a.m. January 1st, 2025. And I just want to say Happy New Year's to all you guys and for all the traders out there. This is going to be an amazing year, and I can't wait for what's to come for this channel, for everyone's education and growth as a trader and as a person. So I'm excited to see what God has planned for everyone. But for today's video, it's going to be a pretty important one. So in today's video, I'm going to be going over the list of reasons why you might be unprofitable or inconsistent in the market. So for everyone, it's different. Everyone's journey is different. It could be different problems that are holding you back, right? It could be hundreds of reasons. But in this video, I'm going to go over my top 4 reasons what stopped me from that inconsistency. Those 4 things that held me back and what made me a more consistent trader and even a better person. So let's get right into it. So I'm just going to start out right here. I'm just going to write this out. List of reasons. Maybe my New Year resolution could be to type correctly in my videos. Let's say a list of reasons why you are inconsistent or unprofitable, whatever you want to call it, same thing. So like I said, there could be a lot of reasons, but these are going to be my main 4 that help me, and I think they could be beneficial to you guys and help the large aspect. So starting out, number one, the first thing that helped me that I had to learn how to do was not trading every day. Not trading every day. Because when we first start out trading, we have an addiction to it. The ability to just come into the day and buy or sell, press buy or sell, and have the ability to make money. That is pretty addicting, especially since we have such an emotional attached to money. That is addicting. And so starting out, I wanted to just come into the market every single day to try to look for opportunity and not let the opportunity come to me. So this was one of the hardest ones I had to overcome. Not trading every day. And when you should trade is on, I would say, high volatile days or where there's a decent amount of news. So let's only trade on high volatile news days. Red folder news days, where there's going to be a lot of volatility, because a lot of people, they see the red folder on Forex Factor and they're like, oh no, this is very volatile, I don't want to trade this, it's risky. No, that's when the cleaner price action is going to happen. Expansion moves are going to happen. That's when everything is going to happen so clean. When price action is choppy and terrible, it's when it happens on a Monday, a no news Monday, or like when there's only yellow folder news or something, you know? You want to trade on the best clean days, like those red folder news days. So not trading every day helped me with my consistency. And only trading on high volatile news days. So I don't trade Mondays. typically I don't. Every once in a while, there's a red folder news Monday. I'll look at that, look at the market, and if there's a setup, I'll take it. But most of the time, no. So, moving on to number 2. And FYI, this is going to be a fairly quick video, but it's going to be filled with a lot of good information, so I hope you guys are taking notes as well. So, this one I want to show some examples to you guys too on the drawings. Number 2 is going to be what is waiting for price to show you what it wants to do. And this is something I learned from Justin. Everything. He was my mentor first learning about market maker models and all that. So credit to him. I love Justin. If you guys don't know Justin Werline, he is a great teacher and awesome. So price showing you what it wants to do. And some might be confused about that, but I'll show you guys examples. So it's going to be price showing you what it wants to do. Oh, I probably should change this actually. List of reasons why. I'm going to change it because it doesn't make any sense. How to become more consistent in the market. There we go. That makes more sense. Okay. Price showing you what it wants to do. So, what do I mean by that? Well, as traders, we truly don't know what the market's going to do. We don't. We react to the data, the information that the market's giving to us, and we simply apply risk with a strategy that we've backtested over hundreds and hundreds of times. That's all we do. We're not trying to guess the market and what it's going to do. We're reacting to what it's showing us and to where it wants to go. So let's go off a basic example. So we're coming down here. Okay. Let's say we have a higher time frame PD array right here. Let's say this is the 15-minute, for example. 15-minute for rally gap. Okay. We have sell side resting below. Okay. Generating buy side. Coming down. Boom. Sweep sell side. And then we start getting a little move up. Right here. And there might be a little fair value gap right here that people want to take if you trade on the 15-minute. And they're thinking, oh, well, this is perfect. There's a fair value gap right after a sell side sweep. We could just go up all of these highs. Well, that would be a little too early. So in this case, that's not waiting for price to show you, right? We simply just came and retraced back up because you don't know, truly, you don't know if price could just come back up, come back down right here, and just continue lower like this. Easily could just do that, and we could just dump all the way down lower, right? So what you do, you wait. Trading is a game of patience. You wait for price to show you. Because price could just come down here, internal sell side swept, then have an expansion up. Have that market structure shift. And you could have an SMT right here too for that manipulation, right? So, and multiple confluences too. You always want multiple confluences for what you're looking for and what price is showing you. So the more confluences obviously you have in a setup, the more conviction you're going to have, the more confidence. So like we had before, right? If you take a long right here, what conviction do you have, right? Oh yeah, sell side swept into a higher time frame PD array and displacement, or a fair value got made. No, that's nothing. I mean, look, that could just easily go down and you get stopped out. You need to wait for more information to get fed to you. So this could have got ran through. Internal sell side swept, then expansion to that. And once you get this market structure shift and the retracement into this PD array and a reaction off of it right here, then it would be okay to take a long, because there's more information that's given to you with manipulation as well. So instead of just having sell side swept and you see a fair value gap and you take it, you wait for everything to play out. Then when you start seeing the buy side of the market maker buy model play out, then you do it. You don't need to try to catch the bottom. All you need is a little piece of the pie to make money. And that's the whole reason why we're doing it. Not to catch $1 million trades. It's to consistently make money and to catch a piece of the pie. And you catch the expansion. Just like that. And internal sell side swept as well. So really look at this, study it, because it happens every single day. Generated liquidity. The market loves to run as well. All right. Now moving on to number 3, I believe. Let's get this out of the way. Number 3, we're going to talk about journaling. Journaling, that was a big one for me as well. Journaling, it really helped my trading because it helps you realize, it helps you look back on the mistakes that you've previously made and to make sure you never repeat them again. So journaling is a good way. Let's say you have a really bad week, right? You can go back into your journal. You can look back at all the times you've lost, see what you're doing wrong, and look at the times you've even won and had good weeks or good days. See what you were doing right. And just implement that back into your trading, because sometimes as traders we can go off track. It happens to me all the time, you know, like there'll be days where I don't feel all there and I just don't go with my plan or my rules, you know? So I have to go back and look and see, like, okay, this is what a good setup looks like. This is what I should be doing. So it's a good way to look back on your past self and write down what you want to write down in your journals as well. The trade you took with pictures, explanation on why you took the trade, and what you can do better next time. me put this down here. Write down the trade you took. Copy and paste it, the picture. Explanation on why you took the trade and what you can do better next time. Journaling is crucial. If there's one thing you feel like you're missing or you're trading from that's making you more consistent in the market, it's journaling. I just realized I spelled it wrong. I apologize. All right. Because you can look back at those mistakes and learn from them, because that's how we improve as humans and as traders especially. And number 4, lastly, number 4, this one's going to be important too. I'd say the whole reason why someone becomes consistent and profitable in the market is discipline. I'm going to put this in all caps because it's crucial. Discipline. Discipline, 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 discipline. You need discipline in the market if you want to see success. You need discipline. What do I mean by discipline? I mean whenever you see a nice move up, chop, price action started to play out, and then you just see choppiness. You just see this, right? You just see absolute garbage price action, right? Days like this is when your discipline needs to kick in and step the heck away. Because I promise you, because it's happened to me and it happens to every single trader, you will try to find a setup within these consolidations. You'll try to catch for value gap here. You'll try to find a value gap there. Boom. And you'll get stopped, right? Because someone might look at this, see this choppiness right here, and be like, oh, sell side swept. There's a little SMT. I'm gonna take this for value gap right here. And targeting the external high. And then price is still choppy, and it just continues to chop, right? And then news comes out or something, or later on in the day, and it finally has a clean move, because you couldn't have the discipline to just turn off your computer or phone and just step away and recognize that this is bad price action. And if you can do that, recognize bad price action and step away when you need to, you can save yourself a lot of money. So, because capital preservation is the goal for trading. Capital preservation. Capital preservation is the goal for, or as a trader. Keeping your money, right? That's the whole goal. So those are the main 4 important things that I used that helped me become consistent. Obviously, there's a bunch of other ones. Maybe that's for another time, and then whenever I open up my Discord, I could tell you guys about it whenever we have sessions. But for right now, these are the most important 4. And I want you guys to write this down and look at this every single day and remind yourself, because these will truly impact your trading. So this is a little bit of a different video. I didn't have any real examples. I figured it would just be better to show you guys drawings, be quicker. But like I said, hopefully this is a little bit more quicker of a video. I hope you guys really enjoyed. Please go just implement this, test it out. I promise you it will work, because it worked for me and it's worked for a lot of other successful traders too. It sucks at first, but you can get through it. You can get through it. It's hard, but you'll make it happen. Anyways, Happy New Year's to you guys. Happy New Year's. This year's going to be awesome for the channel, for you guys, for anyone who's learning to trade. And I can't wait to see what the future holds and what God has in store. So thank you guys again for watching. Please drop a like and a sub and a comment for any questions, and I'll answer to anyone, of course. All right. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys.